especially through the afternoon, and expecting some storms as well. So rumbles and lightning, all possible. Locally heavy rainfall, something we'll be watching as well, because we picked up a lot of rain in some spots yesterday. In fact, several inches from the storms that rolled through. Already rain's moving back into the area. Plateau is soggy at points this morning, so from Roane County through Morgan, Cumberland, and Fentress County, dealing with rain right now. Rain's starting to move into Scott County, eventually into Anderson County, so likely we're close to seeing some rainfall in Oak Ridge in the next few minutes. 50s for now, pretty comfortable out the door. A lot of clouds are around, but especially those east of I-75 where you're a bit drier, there are some breaks in the cloud deck allowing for some glimpses of the sunrise this morning. Scattered rain and storms expected. Coverage is pretty high today. It is going to be soggy overall, and temperatures will be in the upper 60s and low 70s this afternoon. So for the next few hour or two, rain coverage will favor those west of Knoxville, eventually starting to push into the valley and points east as we get closer towards midday. You can see a few downpours will try to develop, but all this is just plain old-fashioned rain. Not expecting severe weather with it, and thunder and lightning will be pretty limited as well. This will work in our favor because this is going to help keep the atmosphere pretty stable. We'll be watching as the line of storms rolls through this afternoon, first across the plateau. Along it, there could be some gusty winds. It would be pretty isolated. We could see winds gusting to 60 miles per hour as this line continues to push through the area, but again, it's a very low and isolated threat. Through this evening, it continues to push into the valley and then pushes east from there, but also torrential rainfall with it as it moves through. As we head into tonight, we'll still have some rain around during the early part, but then we'll be a bit drier during the overnight hours and starting to quiet back down. Severe threat for today, it's a level 1 out of 5 on the lower side. Isolated damaging wind gust, again, as that line of storms pushes through this afternoon and evening. Very isolated though. I do think the heavy rainfall threat may be more of a concern. Already, we are under a level 1 out of 4 flood risk. We did pick up a lot of rain yesterday, and more is in the forecast for today. So everywhere has the potential of seeing some isolated flooding. But I do think there's a slightly more elevated threat along and south of I-40. This is the area that we saw spots pick up almost 2 inches of rain, some spots even locally higher than that, just from the rain yesterday. So with more rain today, obviously it's not going to make any improvements to the situation. So there is a chance for some isolated flooding, especially along and south of I-40. For today, upper 60s, low 70s, and then for tonight, we're back down into the 50s. Tomorrow, 60s, cloudy with a few breaks of sunshine, but also more showers will be moving through the area. Scattered showers and storms right through the afternoon into the evening tomorrow, and then we'll quiet things back down into tomorrow night and starting to dry out as well. Right now, most will stay dry on Monday into Tuesday as well. Then rain chances will increase once again Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This